Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser on your Android phone or iPhone. In this video, I will show you on how to open splitting screen or how you can multitask and open two Chrome browser on your Android phone or on iPhone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you activate split screen on your phone, and for that, go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to drag the toggle up right here. Once you drag the toggle up, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on split screen. Just like so. And then you have a new screen from the bottom right here. Now from the bottom right here, you have other recently app right here. But what we want to do here is that we want to make sure we have these two Chrome browser open on this screen right here. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and we make sure we click on these three dots from the top corner. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we make sure we click on new window. Just like so, we have a new window of Chrome from the bottom right here. We can easily click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Just like so, then we have one tab here and two tabs right here, which allow us to search on Google simultaneously without disturbing one another. Next thing we want to do here, we can also rotate our screen. For that, swipe down right here, go ahead and make sure you look for auto rotate. Once you put your phone in auto rotate, this will allow you to rotate your screen to vertical or horizontal, as the case may be, whereby you have your first Google browse right here and then your second Google browse right here. So here I can easily search for Android. I can search for Android and then hit enter. Then I will get a result right here. I can come here also and search for Instagram and hit enter. This just like so. So I can browse Instagram here. I can browse another thing right here, just like so. Just like so, we have different results right here with the same Google search. So I can decide to search for another thing right here. I can search for Facebook right here, then hit on search, and then we get a result based on the keyword we are eventually looking at. Just like so, we have Facebook browse results right here, and we can browse by images, just like what you see right here. We can also come this side right here and then browse by images and search for different kind of things as the case may be from two different tabs. It's that simple. We can also re-rotate our window just like what you see right here. Now, if you want to close any of the two tabs right here, just drag and so just drag this divider right here and then drag it to the top or down. So you can either close the top or close the bottom tab. So if you want to close the top tab, just if you want to close the bottom tab, just drag down. If you want to close the top tab, just drag to the top, and then you have it right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.